Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW M5. Begin by lightly sketching the fundamental proportions of the car. Use a long, horizontal rectangle for the main body and a slightly smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin. Pay close attention to the wheel placement. They should be approximately 1/4 of the car's total height from the ground. This initial framework is crucial for capturing the M5's powerful stance and sleek profile before adding any details. Now, let's refine the M5's distinctive body lines. Focus on the front, sketching the signature BMW kidney grille, which is typically wide and low-set. Add the sharp, angular headlights that extend towards the wheel arches. Carefully outline the aggressive front bumper and its prominent air intakes. Then, smoothly connect the roofline to the rear, ensuring a sleek, aerodynamic profile that defines the M5's powerful and elegant design. Next, we'll focus on the wheels and side details. Draw the large, multi-spoke wheels, ensuring they fill the wheel arches appropriately. Don't forget to add the visible brake calipers behind the spokes, often in a contrasting color. Sketch the subtle side skirts along the lower body and the precise door lines. Also, include the iconic M-gills on the front fenders, a small but significant detail that adds to the M5's sporty character. For the final touches, carefully erase all your initial construction lines, leaving only the refined sketch. Darken the main outlines of the car to make them stand out. Now, it's time to add depth and realism through shading. Consider where light would hit the car, adding reflections on the body panels and shadows beneath the car and within the wheel wells. Use varying line weights to emphasize contours and details, bringing your BMW M5 drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.